let me show you how to turn on private browsing in Safari on your iPhone. Now, if you're browsing around, maybe you're going to various websites that you don't want anyone else to be able to see, and you want it to switch over to private browsing, I'll show you how to do it and how to Face ID lock it. Now, the first step, of course, is open up that Safari app. You can do this on an iPhone, but it works the same on an iPad or a Mac. So open that up here. And now you'll be able to see I'm just in a normal web-based version. I could go to youtube.com and various other places. To switch to the private browsing or incognito mode, which is called in Google Chrome, tap on those three dots at the bottom right. Now from here, you'll be able to see all tabs. Let's tap on all tabs, and this will give you a picture of everything in Safari, all of the tabs that are open, both the normal ones and private. You can see at the very bottom is two tabs. This is just the normal view. And then private. I can switch over to private here. And it says private browsing adds additional privacy. I can hit the little check mark here. And now I have a private browsing window on here. From here, all I need to do is go to that website. Again, I can go to youtube.com or anywhere else. You'll be able to see that you're on private browsing because the background of the URL is grayed out. Now I can tap on those three dots and hit new tab, and you can see it will switch over to a new tab. If I go to all of the tabs, again, I might need to go to private and then tap on the plus to get a new private browsing tab. Now, I would also highly recommend having that private browsing tabs hidden behind your Face ID to unlock it. To do that, let's go into your settings, scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps. And then we'll go to the Safari app for the settings. So scroll down and tap on Safari. From here, all we need to do is scroll down until we get to the option that says require Face ID to unlock that private browsing. Just turn this on and use your Face ID. And now whenever you switch back and forth between the private browsing, you can see it says unlock here. You'll have to use your Face ID to unlock it and be able to see any of the tabs in private browsing. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.